In this video, I'm going to show you how to present in Bluebeam. Now, the first way of doing it is by pressing Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard, and this is going to basically open up this mode over here, which is kind of the present mode, and it's going to remove everything here on the sides and just show your current PDF that you are currently viewing. That's the first way. However, if you don't want to use that and you can exit it by pressing the Escape key top left of your keyboard, you can also go to another presentation mode, which is activated by hitting F11 on your keyboard. So press the F11 key, which is at the top on your keyboard, and there we go, everything is gonna shrink, and this is your presentation mode over here, which may be even more convenient because you can zoom in, zoom out. You could go ahead and even use this tool over here on the right hand side, basically the toolbar, where you can see a bunch of different things, and you can go ahead and use a bunch of different tools over here while you're presenting. And yeah, those are the two ways of doing this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.